Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jan Howell. I'm going to show you how to make these cute little heart cards from upcycled sweaters. The materials and items that you'll need are, of course, scraps of upcycled sweater of different colors, a pair of paper scissors, or you can use a paper cutter, cardstock paper to make your cards with, a pair of fabric scissors, a glue stick, some jute or ribbon if you want to make a tag with it, and optional sewing machine. So you can see how small this piece of striped felted wool sweater is, but it's so cute. It has a lot of character, and I'm going to cut out a heart from it. You can make these hearts all different sizes, and I'm going to show you a simple way to cut these out without a pattern. Now you can make your own little pattern if you wanted to, a paper pattern, but it really is quite easy just to eyeball it and cut out a half of a heart. So take your fabric, fold it over depending on how big you want your heart to be. And cut out. I find it easier to start at the bottom of the heart and go around. So there you go. I'm going to tweak it a little bit and make that notch come down a little deeper. Pretty cute little heart, right? So you can apply this with just simple glue, or in just a second I'm going to show you how to apply it with the sewing machine. Grab a sheet of scratch paper, your glue stick, and apply just some dabs of glue on the back of the heart. Take your card and center it on the card. Just press it in place. If you want to punch a hole to make a tag, take your twine, fold it in half, insert the loop from the front to back, pretty dang cute, right? Tie this to a gift bag. Great for baby gifts, great for Valentine's Day gifts. Cute little unique card with an upcycled sweater. Now let me show you how to apply it with the sewing machine. Center your heart on the front of the card, and then you're just going to be sewing from the notch of the heart down to the tip of the heart, and then back stitch. Clip your threads. Pretty cute and simple. Now a little bonus tutorial. If you wanted to make a little garland, either sewing them across or a vertical garland like this, let me show you how to join those with the sewing machine. So you'll want to leave a chain at the top so you can hang it if you wanted to, or you can attach something else, but if you'll make sure that the needle is in the upright position, you should be able to just really easily, and the presser foot up, you should really easily just be able to pull that thread and make an extension. And I like to hold my threads on the first couple stitches so it doesn't have that thread nesting on the underneath of the fabric. So just come down to the notch and start sewing, just using a straight stitch. And when I get to the tip of the heart, I'm going to turn my hand wheel towards me to bring up my needle in the uprightmost position, and then I can pull the thread back depending on how long you have space you want between each heart, and then start sewing the next one. Turn your hand wheel upright position, and then you can pull it. So you can just repeat that process as many times as you want to. And these really are a cute decoration, hanging on the wall or from a doorknob. Another fun thing to do with your upcycled sweater hearts. I hope you enjoyed that quick craft tutorial. Grab your upcycled sweater scraps and make some cute Valentine cards. If you want to see how you can use upcycled sweaters or some other fun crafts, be sure to check out these videos here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have fun making these projects as much as I do. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you next time.